मुझे तो बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड, टॉलीवुड, कॉलीवुड को आने दो, जितने आने थे, जितने वोट आते हैं। आई डोंट माइंड। जैसे पहले लगी पड़ी थी वैसे अब भी लगी पड़ी है, जैसे पहले लगी पड़ी थी वैसे अब भी लगी पड़ी है, ये राजा भी निरा लोमड़ी है। लाल किले का हाल वही है, पैजामा कोई पहन खड़ा था, कोई साड़ी पहन खड़ी है रे। See, we were discussing, me, Shailaja and Shutapa. Shailaja narrated us as an incident. And then after the discussion, that incident was such that we couldn't, it just stayed with me. And we kept on discussing about it. And then we thought that there is a film in this incident. Then we started developing it. Then we looked for a writer who could really connect to it and, who can make it his own and then evolve it. Then we discussed with few writers. Then Ritesh Shah, he came in and he loved the idea. It felt like as if it's generating from him. And then he wrote a script. Then we were looking for the director. And the first thing we went to Nishi, and we were thinking that somebody who could make it interesting, because it's a thriller, it's a edge of the seat kind of a drama and a lot of emotional material. So we were just looking for a director who can just relate to it and make it efficiently. But when Nishi heard it, it felt like as if the story has generated from his own being. So he almost identified with the story and he made it his own. And I thought this is the best combination, and then we just went ahead. And I think you should watch the film and you should come to know, because we don't want to reveal which incident was that. This tarah ke incidents, you have seen many incidents like this, these kind of incidents in your life. I have been working with Nishi for years, more than 10 years. The first episode when he made a pilot, I was part of it. Then when he took break, I think he started doing television. Then he came to in cinema. Then he made Mumbai Meri Jaan. I was part of it, and my portion had a kind of a showreel where his future will go, because he liked doing action also. Director is not boxed that he can only do action, he can only do comedy. He has he can handle different kind of subjects. Film is trying to entertain you, and it is thriller, but also it is a drama, emotional drama, and there are other aspects of the film. So it is difficult to really define it as a thriller. You have to come up with a new definition for this film, and there is very strong element in this film where it says that every ordinary man has an extraordinary being inside him, like a hero, and he can erupt any day. It's a need of this story where he has to go through different looks. You see him in different time of his life, and he's not the same person. So that's what that was the need of the story. It is like most of the time we dance on somebody else's tune, and how people make you dance on that tune. That is what film is trying to say. कि कोई डमरू बजाता है and then you dance on that डमरू without realizing that you are just a puppet.
Madari, actually, in fact, when we started shooting the film, we didn't have the exact title. We were still contemplating with a lot of ye rakhe kya, wo rakhe kya, any of the title. We were still going through it. Then finally, because it is a type of a story where, as he said, a normal person has a hero inside him and he can erupt any time. So it was more about that heroism, but what heroism are we talking about? and against what we are talking about. So finally, after a lot of contemplation, in fact, Irfan called me one day and said, "Okay, I have this title, Madari. What do you feel about it?" And I was like, "It sounds really good. Let me just give me a day or two to just digest it." And then everything suddenly started looking that Madari was the most apt title for this film. चिल्ड्रन वाला ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन वो तो कोई नहीं था. एज एन एक्टर, I think first 1 or 2 days he was not sure what zone of film we were making for his age to understand. But maybe, I don't know, somewhere he understood it so well and he was so much in sync with Irfan and the rest of the story suddenly. And I think he's given a brilliant performance. We were very lucky with the boy. Definitely directing. I mean, that's personal choice, is directing. Acting has always been a hobby. If I'm free, if I'm not doing anything, I'll act.
I think definitely direction. Nishi can do acting, we'd love to see him doing acting, but we need directors, he's a brilliant director, and this is the time for these kind of directors who can change the face of cinema, who can entertain on different levels, not a just time pass entertainment. And he's one of the one of the best directors of the industry what are around today, and we want him to direct.
We did shoot on many different locations, and shooting on outdoor locations, sometimes it is relatively easy. At times it becomes very difficult. Like if you take an example of if you're shooting, let's say, in Karol Bagh in Delhi, it is obviously going to be very crowded, or Bhuleshwar in Mumbai, it will be very crowded. But more than that, the amount we had to travel to different locations. Like we shot in Shimla, quite a bit of the film. We shot in Delhi, on the streets of Delhi, quite a lot of portion. We shot in Haryana, and in fact we had to go to Jaisalmer to shoot a lot. So it was actually, we were shooting at different locations, different terrains. Like if you see, there's snow-laden mountains in the film, there is desert, there is sea, there is everything. So we had to cover everything.